Hi students, I hope you're all studying well. Now you all know for a fact that the Symbiosis Legal or Law Admissions Test the forms have already been released. We know for a fact that we have already started filling in the forms, and this brings us to the question, what is the syllabus for our 2025's Symbiosis Legal or Law Admissions Test? Now, without wasting any of your minute, let's get into it and let's try to understand the examination. It encompasses two major stages, and this is the understanding that we have from the immediate past year, which is Symbiosis Laws Admissions Test of 2024. From that examination, from that test, we get to know that it has been divided into two stages. Earlier, it was divided into three stages, which included your CBT, which is a computer-based test, your VAT, which is a written aptitude test, and your PI, which is personal interview. But understanding all of these things, as of now, we understand that it is divided into two segments. First one being your entrance exam. Now, the entrance exam majorly tries to evaluate your understanding. Understanding in what senses? In senses of logical reasoning, in senses of legal reasoning, analytical reasoning, reading comprehension, and your general knowledge. But the general knowledge here is a little bit of a tricky element. Why being the general knowledge not only focuses on the not only focuses on the current affairs, but it also includes quite a lot of static information, some kinds of appointment, some historical event. So you better be prepared for it. Now, the next one being your personal interview. The final stages of the examination, as I mentioned, is the personal interview. Here you have to face a panel of interviewers who delve deeper into their personalities, motivations, aspiration, and suitability for a legal education and career. But the first thing that you have to look as of now is your entrance exam, because the examination, as I mentioned earlier as well, is in the month of December from 13th, on 13th and on 15th of December. Because we have our exam so soon, let's try to see what is the examination in general. It is a national level exam. The mode, as I mentioned, is CBT, which is computer based test. Instruction or medium of delivery of instruction or questions is in English. Similarly, you have how many questions? 5 sections. It is divided, each section holding 12 questions. Now, as I mentioned, reading comprehension, logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, legal reasoning, and GK. Similarly, kinds of question, it is a multiple choice examination. Likewise, you have total number of 60 questions, 60 marks, 60 minutes. Similarly, 12 questions in each section, which includes your 5 section. Is there a negative marking to this examination? The answer is no. There is no negative marking. Understanding the same, we come to the final thing. As I mentioned, 12 marks, 12 questions. Similarly, now when you try to understand these things, your logical reasoning, the basic logical reasoning that we have been studying for our CLAT exam would be very similar to this. But your analytical reasoning, the kind of questions that are asked in terms of blood relation, in terms of probably codes, all of these things are asked here. Reading comprehension, the English that we all have been studying. General knowledge focuses on the elements or the static GK part, the appointments, the recent awards, all of these things. And finally, your legal reasoning. Very direct questions have been asked in the recent past years, but you must be prepared for anything and everything. Okay, this brings me to the end of the session for today. Please make it a point that you are going through the syllabus. In the upcoming videos, we will give you quite a lot of guidance in terms to how are you supposed to prepare for each section. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and all the best.